Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to make a Python file running on a computer every time you log on. Okay, in this video I already make .bat file and Python file. So .bat will run the .python file, and .bat the SCHTASKS tool will run the bat, and after that the bat will run the py. So this is the solution that I found easy after searching and after trying so many things. I mean. So let's open the and also create the bat file also. The main command is this is to run your Python file, Python space and your Python file address or location path, and other command on this bat file is just accessories. You can do whatever you want, and this is the first file that you must create. So this is the file that you must create, and the second one the Python file that you must create. So let's open the Python file that you want to create in idle. So there is one thing you need to know. This is the file file of Python that write a file on my this location of computers, and we'll give the name of file. We'll give the name to the file. Is demo file 2.txt, and this is the Python. In this Python you must create any task that you want, and after that save and do whatever you want and then close. So now let's go to SCHTASKS. You can say that you can type task, schedule text. So let's type and then click create basic task on the left, on the right, and then name the task, maybe firsttask, and then next. This is the most simple. We need to configure the SCHTASKS the minimum, and click the when I log on, and then click next, and then click start program, and then click next, and then on the program /script, click browse to go to your bat file that we just created, and then click the bat file, and you don't need to put anything in here and here, and then click next, and then click finish, and you will see that the summary, how many running and other things are relevant to your task. So other tasks I will delete. So let's delete this and just leave the fifth task, the task that we just created working on my computer. So now let's close the SCHTASKS and close everything, and then run, and I will pause the video, and after I log on I will re-record the video. So I will pause the video. Thank you. And now after I finish reboot, you can see there is one CMD window here that have the list echo hello world, and then Python, C, and so on, and then a set /p input to make the program flow halt for wait for my input, so the program not suddenly quit. So we can see this all before it flashed, and now let's see that if the Python is succeed to write the file. So open the place where your Python want to write the file. So in this case I want to go to this /code directory and see that file that I just want to create is demo file 2 is already created here, and this is created by the Python script. And that's all the how to run the Python code anytime that you want. In this solution we need to do that by the help of the bat file. So using GUI SCHTASKS. You can also use CMD SCHTASKS, and I will post in the description what's the code to do that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.